Welcome back to my world here on the internet. I'm your host, Moises Beauchamp Jr. And the other day, I did a video showing you guys how to put together a page, an actual website from scratch with a sexy little tool that I use. I'm going to show you the tool real quick. Quick second, I should have had it ready, but I don't. So just bear with me for a quick minute and I will show you that tool that I use. And what is it now? My little funnel building tool that I've been using for quite some time now. You could build basically anything on the web with this tool. Click the link in the description to try the most complete and powerful digital marketing platform in the world, absolutely free. That link is below in the description. Like I was saying, I had put this website together for a gentleman named Jesus Figueroa. He's a mechanic out in Orlando. If you're in the Orlando area, contact him. I'm going to drop the link to his website below. I did this for him absolutely free, and I could do it for you as well. All I need you to do is cover the hosting fees. It's just a promotion that is about to end pretty soon. It's going to end pretty soon. And you can have a website like this. I'm about to present this to Mr. Figueroa. He is the owner of General Mechanics, and I'm about to present this to him. If you need something like this, holla at your boy. I'm going to drop the link below in the description as well, and you could check it out as well. This little mechanic funnel that I got going on here for Mr. Jesus Figueroa. When the customer click here to book an appointment, they will go to a page where they will enter their phone number, and Mr. Figueroa could contact them and give them a free quote. Alright, with that said, my good peoples, this is Moises Beauchamp Jr. letting you know, if you need a website for your small business, get in contact with me. Book a free call with me, and we'll see if we're a good fit for each other. I'll drop that link below so you can book an appointment with me. If you're the type that like to do it yourself, you can check out the little tool that I use to build websites like this on the link below. One love, my good peoples. It's your boy, Moises Beauchamp, signing up out of here. Peace.